Understanding parole adjustment in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, parole adjustment. This term can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into its two components, parole and adjustment. Parole. This term originally comes from the legal field and refers to the release of a prisoner before their sentence is complete, under specific conditions. Adjustment. This word means a change or a slight modification to something. So, when combined, parole adjustment generally refers to a change or modification in the conditions or status of someone's parole. It's crucial to understand the context in which parole adjustment is used. Typically, this phrase is used in legal contexts, discussing changes in a parolee's terms or conditions. Conversational English. It might appear in news stories, discussions about the legal system, or in conversations about criminal justice reform. To help you better understand, let's look at a few examples. 1. The judge granted a parole adjustment, allowing the parolee to travel for work. 2. Due to his good behavior, his parole adjustment included fewer check-ins with his parole officer. 3. The parole board is considering a parole adjustment in light of new evidence. It's important to note that parole adjustment doesn't mean the end of parole or pardon. It simply refers to a modification of the existing terms. I hope this video clears up any confusion about the phrase, parole adjustment. Remember, understanding the context is key to grasping its meaning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.